Have you ever wondered how a city like Dubai, with millions of residents, tourists, and cars outside, manage its traffic? Well, the secret lies in data. From smart sensors to AI-powered cameras, Dubai is one of the world's smartest cities, using data analytics to manage everything from traffic lights to accident response time. Today, we'll explore how Dubai uses data to run its traffic system and how this real-world example shows data analytics in action. Dubai is home to 3.5 million residents and attracts at least 14 million visitors a year. That's a lot of cars, taxis, and delivery vehicles sharing the road. Managing this traffic efficiently isn't easy. In fact, before smart technologies were introduced, congestion used to be Dubai's biggest problem. But that changed when the city decided to turn data into action. In true Dubai fashion, they didn't just improve the roads, they reinvented how the whole traffic system works. The Road and Transport Authority, RTA, has built the world's most advanced traffic management system, which is the Dubai Intelligent Traffic System, ITS, Center in Al Barsha. This center collects real-time data from thousands of traffic cameras and road sensors, GPS data from taxis, public buses, and delivery fleets, also the smart signals that communicate with one another. All of this data is instantly analyzed with the help of AI and machine learning algorithms to monitor congestion, detect accidents, and even predict where traffic might build up next. Think of it as a city-wide nervous system, and the brain is the data, constantly sending and receiving information to keep Dubai moving. One of Dubai's smartest innovations is its adaptive traffic signal system. Unlike traditional traffic lights that worked on fixed timers, Dubai's smart signals adjust on real-time traffic flow. If there is a buildup of vehicles on one junction, the system automatically extends the green light and reduces the waiting time where the traffic is lighter. This technology alone has helped reduce traffic by 25% in some busy areas. It's all thanks to data analytics, collecting, analyzing, and controlling traffic every single minute. The RTA doesn't just stop there. Data analytics also help control Dubai Metro, buses, and taxis, ensuring smooth flow of traffic and smooth coordination. For example, when there's a large event or an accident causing congestion, the system can reroute buses and alert drivers through the digital signboards or navigation system. Even emergency response teams rely on this data, so the ambulance can find the safest and fastest route instantly. All of these initiatives are part of the Dubai Smart City vision, where data powers every single system, from energy to mobility. By 2030, Dubai aims for fully connected and AI-driven transport system, including vehicles that communicate directly with traffic signals and central database. It's not just about controlling traffic, it's about creating a sustainable and innovative city for the future. So next time when you're cruising down Sheikh Zayed Road, remember, it's not just luck, it's data making your journey smooth and efficient. And if you're inspired by how data runs cities like Dubai, maybe it's time to start your own journey in data analytics. Join the data analytics course at Hakka, where you'll learn how data helps solve real-world problems. Visit our website to learn more and be a part of Dubai's smart future. Don't just watch the change, be the one to analyze it.